6, with the following time expressions: usually, often, always, constantly, normally, occasionally, hardly ever, little, regularly, sometimes, never, ever, rarely, seldom, frequently, generally. These expressions are used before the verb or after verb to be and auxiliary verbs. Examples: I sometimes go to the bar. Sam is always on time. We can use these expressions at the beginning or at the end of a sentence to concentrate on the meaning. Examples: sometimes I go to the bar. I go to the bar sometimes. These expressions are used at the beginning and the end of a sentence. Once, twice, 3, several, many, times, plus, a, and. Every day, week, month, year, in the morning, afternoon, evening, at night, at the weekend, on Fridays, etc. Examples: I go to the gym twice a week. Once every week, I visit my grandparents. 7. With verbs that show feelings. Examples: I prefer his way of thinking. My dad is known for his excellence in his job.